Kakamega niwe wycliffe Oparanya niarekererio ni borithi na une thutha wa kuhungwo oro ndume na gukorwo akiandikithia riboti cecenini ya borithi. Thutha ucio na ikorirwo akiaria na andiki a mohoro akiuga ati we ndarakiri na mahitia o mothe kana akiri namo, na ni thutha wa gukorwo akingirira andu kiama kia mung'ethanio ni undu wa gukorwo magitabania mirurungano.
Reaching Kakamega, I saw 3 vehicles. Vehicles which blocked me, 3 vehicles blocked me with private registration. And immediately in civilian clothes jumped out at convoy. All of them holding guns towards me. So I said, what is wrong? And then my driver was pulled out of the car, and the fellow came in the steering seat claiming that he's a CID officer. I'm required at the police station to record about the demonstrations in Busia using government vehicle. So I've come here. He has been trying to talk to the Director General of CID. Unfortunately, could not get him, and he requested me to write a statement, but I declined to write a statement because the way I was treated as a criminal, I didn't like it. So my lawyer, whom I was with, Mr. Cecenini, volunteered to write the statement on my behalf.
We have put the regional DCI on demand to tell us the reasons of arrest under the Constitution. He has completely failed to give us any tangible reason of arrest, accusing the governor of leading demonstrations in Busia and Bungoma yesterday. He is basically asking the governor why he was exercising his right to demonstrate. Having given us no reason, we demanded for the immediate release of the governor, and they have released him unconditionally. However, they have retained the vehicle. We are giving them 24 hours to return back the vehicle to the governor because it is his entitlement under the Kakamega County Pension Act 2022, Section 21C, as read with the section schedule. If they do not do that, we are making a demand this evening to the Director General of DCI, and we are suing the DCI for the harassment, intimidation, and violation of the rights of the governor.
Na tugetigane na icio